Once again, I am here at Loyola Memorial Park here in Marikina for spending a time to visit the final resting place of the former senator of the Philippines. And I'm now walking towards the grave of a Filipino senator, uh, Senator Ernesto Erning Maceda. I'm walking towards the gravestone or the tomb of former Senate of the Philippines, Senator of the Philippines, Ka Erning or Ernesto Erning Maceda. Madalas na tinatawag nila noon ng Ka-Erning. Yan, si Senator Maceda. Yan, medyo matagal na tayong hindi nakapunta dito mga kasama sa loob ng sementeryong ito. Dahil sa mga pagkasira-sira ng mga ginagamit natin mga kasama. Yan. And here is the gravestone or tomb of Maceda. Yan. Ito. Ernesto M. Maceda. And sign above. Yan. Born March 26, 1935. Died June 20, 2016. Yeah. Here is the tomb of former Senator of the Philippines, Ernesto Erning Maceda. Once again, thank you very much for supporting my channel. To all my viewers and friends around the world. Nice to meet you again. I'm saying to all of you, bye-bye. God bless everyone. Bye.